Intervals. The distance between any two notes is called an interval. Two intervals that serve as basic building blocks of music are half steps and whole steps. Hello and welcome to our new YouTube lesson video. We are excited to share this educational content with you and hope that it helps you learn and grow. This video is packed with valuable information and tips that will help you become an expert in your field. So, sit back, relax, and let's get learning. So, let's get started. Half steps and whole steps. A half step, or semitone, is the interval between any pitch and the next closest pitch on the keyboard. The combination of two half steps forms a whole step, or whole tone. A whole step always has one note in between its two notes. On a keyboard, a half step spans a white note to a black note, or black to white, except in the case of B to C and E to F, as shown in figure. Whole steps span two keys the same color, again except in the case of B, C and E, F. A whole step above E is not F, but F sharp. A whole step below C is not B, but B. Summary. The distance between any two notes is an interval. Two important intervals are half and whole steps. Half steps span keys of different colors, white to black or black to white. Exceptions are E, F and B, C, the white key half steps. Whole steps span keys the same color, white to white or black to black. Exceptions are E flat, F, E, F sharp, B flat, C, and B, C sharp. Double-check the spelling of any half or whole step that includes E, F, B, or C. Now let's practice. Identify the distance between the two notes by writing W, whole step, H, half step, or N, neither. F sharp to E is whole step. C sharp to D is half step. B flat to A flat is whole step. C to B flat is whole step. E to F is half step. F to G is whole step. B sharp to C is neither. D flat to E flat is whole step. In the previous video, we talked about sharps and flats. Now let's talk about double flats and sharps. Two remaining accidentals appear less frequently in musical scores. A double sharp raises a pitch two half steps, or one whole step, above its letter name. A double flat lowers a pitch two half steps below its letter name. For example, the pitches G double flat and F are enharmonic, as are A and B. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Together we will learn music theory step by step. To know about the next lessons, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. Thank you again for your support and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.